Okay, welcome back again. This is a part 2 of this weekly market breakdown. Yeah, it's been a learning, so that I decided to cut a video in a half so that I can continue now with Audi CHF. Audi CHF, this is a 3-month time frame. As you can see, this is a midway zone here. Okay, this is a midway zone here. Okay, and this is a upper zone here. And this is also a lower zone here. As you can see here, we are in a very beautiful downward trend, but on a counter trading where the market is on a pullback, lack of structure lower low, lower high, lack of structure to create a lower low. So expect the creation of another lower high here before continuation in a downward trend. Without further delay, let's go in a monthly time frame and see what's going on. Okay, cool, beautiful. As you can see here, we are still in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend, but here we are on a counter trade. We are on a pullback here. As you can see, we have been a break of structure create lower low, lower high here, break lower low here. So expect the continuation, okay? But also, this zone here might be very weak, and the buyers managed to break it in order to retest here only 3 months before continuation, okay? So let's go in a weekly time frame to see what's really going on. As you can see, this is a weekly time frame. As you can see, the buyers managed to break the monthly zone. So as you can see, what we can expect the sellers to come and return back the price into a continuation. This can be possible. Or also, the buyers might keep going to retest this 3 months before turning back in a downward trend. And so, in order to know what's going on, let's put a zone here in order to be that specific with what's going on. So let's go in a daily time frame to see what's really going on. As you can see here, we are in uptrend. We are in an uptrend. Okay, we are in an uptrend here. Okay, we are in an uptrend here where the buyers managed to break the structure of weekly and even the structure of monthly and weekly. So we are in an uptrend here, as you can see. Look at here. So we are in an uptrend. We are seeing lack of structure here, create higher low, higher high, lack of structure, higher low. Test here, we can expect the continuation. Okay. Let's go in a H4 time frame to see what's really going on. Okay, beautiful. This is a zone. This is a zone here, as you can see. This is a H4 zone here, and also this is another zone here. So you can see we are in an uptrend. We are in uptrend, and even the structure is very clear, and the entry has also been formed. We are seeing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Can expect the continuation to the weekly level here. So the bullish engulfing candle here is present, and the momentum is present. And so on Monday, if the market open, we enter automatically here and stop loss like this, and then take a profit. We target this weekly zone here. So where is our EMA, exponential moving average? You see that it's now test very beautiful. So only On Monday, we can expect sometimes when the market spike back here, so we can automatically enter for continuation without any kind of extension. This is AUD chef. This is GBP USD. And let's go and see what's really going on here. As you can see, this is a 3-month time frame, okay? A 3-month time frame, okay? This is a 3-month upper zone. This is also a 3-month lower zone here. Okay, cool. Zone here, like this here, okay? This is zone here. This is a zone here. Okay, cool. Now we are in a range or a consolidation. We are in a very beautiful range or a consolidation where we are seeing equal highs and equal lows. So we can expect the continuation of this equal high here before returning back. So we are going to see what's going on with this high here, where we can expect the compression of this equal high. So we are on a high of a consolidation here. We are on a monthly time frame. We are seeing something different. As you can see here. Okay. We are in a range or a consolidation. We are in a range or a consolidation here. We are in a range or a consolidation here. Okay, what does it mean? You see, once we are in a range or a consolidation like this, we can expect the market to continue in an uptrend here, okay, to break this consolidation zone, or we can expect the price again to keep returning back here. But to be very clear, let's go in a weekly time frame to see really what's going on. Now we are in a range or a consolidation, but on an uptrend level. Break of structure create high low here, equal high, equal low here. Can expect the completion of this move here. So that let's go in a daily time frame and see what's really going on. Now you can see this is a daily zone here. This is another daily zone here. This is a daily zone here. Now, as you can see, we are in an uptrend, even if it's not clear. Have been seeing a double bottom here, but somehow a consolidation. Break of structure to create equal high here, create high, retest high low here, and then we can expect the market to keep going in an uptrend. Okay, but if you are seeing this pin bar here, you can expect the price to return back here again before continuing in an uptrend. So before going on, let's see what's going to happen in a 4 time frame and see what's really going on. As you can see here, this is okay. This is another zone here. This is a H4 midway zone here. This is a H4 midway zone here. Okay. As you can see, we are now in an uptrend where we are seeing break of structure to create higher high, higher low, equal high, equal low. But now buyers managed to break the structure to create higher high, higher low here, so we can expect the continuation here to retest this monthly upper zone here. So we can ask ourselves, where is our EMA, which shows us the direction and the confirmation log? What exactly I say we can expect to see something like this here. Okay, another retest, and then we'll automatically enter for buy without a kind of hesitation. So this is a complete analysis of full GBP USD. We put our stop loss here on 90 pips, something like we targeted this zone here, but in order to capitalize on the 3RR, we reduce and use 70 pips again like this. This is this is GBP USD. What's the next pair? Let's see the next pair of Eurocard here. Let's hide this AMA. Let's hide this AMA and start with 3-month time frame. As you can see, we are in what? In uptrend, but really this is a 3-month midway zone. This is a 3-month upper zone, and this is a 3-month lower zone here. As you can see, we are in an uptrend where have been initially in a range or a consolidation, okay, but now the buyers managed to break the test here before we enter for buy here. So what are you going to do? We are going to capitalize on this retest here to this 3-month zone before we enter for buy. So we are going to capitalize on this pullback element to the test. Okay, so let's go in a monthly time frame and see what's happening really. Can see, okay, this is a 3-month zone here. I mean a monthly zone here. Okay, as I was saying, you see that this is a zone here in order to make things more logical. Okay, more logical. Now we can see are in an uptrend. Black of structure to create higher low here, equal high, equal low here. Black of structure to create high. You can expect higher low here. Then you enter for buy. So we are going to capitalize on this pullback by saying here. So let's go in a weekly time frame to see what's going on. As you can see, we are in an uptrend, but even if you are in an uptrend, we are seeing a pullback, a pullback here. Let me be clear and show you what I mean to say. I've been seeing lack of structure higher low here, lack of structure higher here, okay, higher low here, equal high here. You can expect the test like this before continuing. So what are you gonna do? Here there is a level here. It's not a strong level, but there is a level here. Look at daily time frame. What's going on with this level which I'm saying? This is a level which I'm talking about here. So this is a daily range or a daily zone which shows that we are in a downtrend on a daily time frame. We are in a downtrend here. As you can see, we are in a downtrend like this. Okay, you see that I've been saying we are in an uptrend, break of structure to create higher low. Instead of continuing in an uptrend, the seller stepped in and managed to break the structure of day. So expect the retest and then you enter for continuation here. This is what we can expect to happen. But let's go in a H4 time frame and see what's going on. As you can see, we are in a downtrend here. Okay, we are seeing lower low and lower high here. Okay, we're seeing a lower low and lower high here. As you can see, we are seeing lower low and lower high here. You see, look, I've been seeing a break of just to create a lower low here. Okay, lower low here. lower high, equal low, and equal high. Break of starts to create lower low, lower high. You can expect the continuation here, but this this pullback is not strong. So we can expect the two things here to happen. We can expect a clear break of structure, which is very obvious, which leaves imbalance behind, and then wait for a test here, and then we enter for the sale. As you can see, this is my complete prediction. Where is our EMA? You see our EMA is present here. So for me, I will wait for the break of this structure completely here with obvious, and then once I get a test here, I will automatically enter for a sell here, stop loss above here, and then take profit. I will target the risk toward of 4. I can even adjust my level here in order to target the clear liquidity. Risk to reward above 6. I mean, stop loss above 60 pips will be very viable. And this is our USD card. Our USD card. What's going on? Let's go in a 3-month time frame and see what's going on. Okay, as you can see, 3-month time frame of USD card. This is a zone here, and also this is another zone here. This is upper zone here, and also this is a zone here. We are in a downward trend, even if we are in a range or a consolidation. Once the price reach here, we automatically see the sellers bring the price down here. So we can conclude that not 100%, we can predict that the price is in a downward trend where the sellers might return back on this 3-month midway zone, and then before keeping moving like this. Okay, so how can we capitalize on this downward trend move? Let's go in a monthly time frame to see how we can capitalize on this imbalance. You see, this is a monthly zone here, lower zone here, and also this is another monthly upper zone here. As you can see, still we are in a downward trend, as I say. How? You see, I've been seeing a break of chart break, lower low here, lower high here, lower low here, equal high here. Expect the continuation. But hold on. If you can see clearly, there is some zone here. I can say there is a zone here, okay, which is not strong, but twice, more than thrice, 3 times the buyers are stepping in. As you can see, whenever the price reached here, the buyers push the back in uptrend here. As you can see, we can expect that even here the price to return in uptrend. So we can be careful analyzing the pair, but the price is already on a strong level where we are seeing a lot of buy pressure several times. Okay, let's go in a weekly time frame to see what's going on. Okay, now this is what I have been saying. Whenever I am seeing this level, we are seeing that we are in a range. We can expect the set to be like this, or we can expect the sellers to break this structure and retest here. Let's go in a lower time frame and see what's really going to happen. Now we can see we are seeing a pin bar in a daily time frame, bullish pin bar, which means that our move might have been ended. Okay. For me, in order to trade on this pair, okay, As you can see, this is, we are still in a downward trend. Okay, we are still in a downward trend where we are seeing a double top in here. Okay, black of structure. Okay, this is a retest on a double top. You will see it in H4 based on the experience. Black of structure to create lower low, lower high here. So expect here the continuation, but because I've seen that this is a very strong level here, this is a very strong monthly level. For me, I can't enter again for sale, but instead I can wait for this break of structure and then enter for sale. When the price breaks below this monthly resistance, that's where I will look for sale. If not, I will sit on my finger and stay out of the market on this pair. Look what I have been saying. I said that we are in a downward trend. We are in a downward trend here. Okay. We are in a downward trend here. Look, we are still in a downward trend, no change of a character, because I've been seeing a product created overall here, lower high here, lack of substrate overall, lower high here, equal again, lower high here, the black of structure. So when am I going to take a trade for buy here? If and only if the buyers do like this, break of this structure, lower higher high, I mean higher low test here, and then break structure here, create higher high and the higher low here. That's when I will enter for buy. If and only if the buyers are above this zone, this daily zone is where I will only enter for buy. If not, I'm going to stay away of this market. So I remember when I entered on this pair here, I entered here. Okay, and I have been targeting this on here. I used the 30 pips. Yeah, it was a very small stop loss of 30 pips or something like. You can see where is my EMA. As you can see, where is my EMA? You see that the EMA confirms the structure of my entry is very based on this EMA, and even here I entered the back here on this way, but I exited too early, as you can see. Okay, I have been targeting this get to reward of 3, but you see that the price didn't be here. You see, so this is my prediction of this coming week. I will enter if and only if the buyers manage to break above this weekly support. I mean this daily support here. I will exactly enter for buy like this. I will enter for buy like this. Okay. It may take a long time to be there. This is a BTC USD. Also, let's see BTC USD. This is the last pair to analyze. Okay, let's start with a monthly 3-month time frame. Can you see that we are in an uptrend here? This is a 3-month zone here. This is a 3-month upper zone here, and this is a 3-month zone here, where we are seeing higher high and higher low. You can see this is a higher high, higher low. This is a higher high. You can expect this higher low and then a continuation to form another higher high. So we are in an uptrend. Let's go in a monthly time frame to see what I'm saying. Okay, beautiful. Now you can see that we are still in an uptrend. Now we are on a continuation where on a 3-month time frame, on the 3-month level, we are seeing a bullish momentum here. So how are we going to capitalize on this move? We can plot this. This is a level, as you can see. this is a level here, this is a level here, which shows that we are like in a downward trend. We are like in a downward trend here, as you can see, because I've been in forming. Look at here, high low here, high here, high low here. Okay, equal high, lack of structure to create a lower low. We can expect the creation of another lower high. Before interval said no, we might be against the trend, but rather can expect the lack of this structure here, another to create higher low, and then continuation in this kind of manner. So we are going to capitalize on this kind of moves. Let's go in a weekly time frame to see if we can capitalize on this kind of a move here. Look, my friends. Now it's kind of like a downward trend. It's kind of like a downward trend, but really it's a long-term pullback. Look, I've been seeing lack of structure to create lower low here, lower high just here, lower low here. You can expect the lower high here, and then you enter for sale. But as you have seen in a high time frame, this is going to be an uptrend level structure, the test, and then you keep moving in an uptrend because we are in uptrend in higher time frame. How are we going to capitalize on this bullish momentum? Let's go in a daily time frame. Now we are in uptrend. We are in uptrend. How? Look, this is a daily level here. This is a daily level here, okay, and also this is another level here, okay, this is another level here. I can even add another level here, which is going to help us see what's really going on. Now we are in a beautiful uptrend. By how? Look what I'm saying. We are in uptrend. Black of structure, high low here, high here, high low here, equal high here, equal low here. We can expect the continuation to the test on these months here. So I expect if any break this structure, because we have been seeing that we are in an uptrend, or below in higher time frame. So this is the H4 to see how it can capitalize on this here. Okay, this how we can expect the. Now we are in an uptrend, okay, where we are seeing higher high here, higher low here, higher high here, equal low here, higher low higher low here, higher high, equal low. We can expect the continuation here. So how are we going to capitalize on this move? Two things are possible, okay. This is an intra trend here, like this. Okay, what does this mean? This means that we can expect the buyers to return back to test on this zone. Once it tests this zone, I will enter for buy without any kind of hesitation. Why? Because my EMA, or exponential moving average, shows me that this is a point of interest. Why? Let us see where our EMA is. You can see this is like a double bottom here, black of structure here. We can expect the retest of this neckline here, then we enter for buy without any kind of hesitation. So I will enter and target this this monthly level. So this is my breakdown of BTC USD. Okay, this is the breakdown of the this is a breakdown of BTC USD here, like this. This is my prediction. Once the price reacts like this, I jump in without any kind of hesitation. Now, what about this Euro AUD? This is a Euro AUD. Is the last pair to analyze. Next pair to analyze Euro AUD. You can see Euro AUD, we are in the 3-month time frame. As you can see, 3 months upper zone, 3 months lower zone, 3 months midway zone here. Okay, midway here. We are in a range or a consolidation where we are seeing the buyers and sellers balancing the power together. So we are seeing a seller bringing the price to this 3-month level here. So we can capitalize on this seller's leg. Okay, look at here. So here this is this is a level here. Careful. This is another level here. This is a level here. Now, what's going on? We are in a downward trend because we have seen the sellers break below the monthly upper zone here. So let's go in a weekly time frame and see how we can capitalize on this move here. Okay, so as you can see, okay, we are seeing another small level here. This is a small level. It's like a macro level here, but nothing changed. We are in a downward trend because why? We have seen a break of structure to create a lower low here, lower high here. We can expect the continuation in a downward trend here. So this is a downward trend scenario. So let's go in a daily time frame to see how we can capitalize on this move here. You see that we are in a very beautiful downward trend, break of structure to lower low, lower high here. Can expect the continuation like this. So how are we going to capitalize on this move? You see that we are even having a very great momentum of bearish. So this is okay, you see this is H4 time frame. Okay, this is a level here. Now this is another level here. We are in a beautiful downward trend here. You can see we are a price action trader. Okay, this is also another level here. Okay, this is another level here. We can expect the price to break this structure here, create lower low here, retest lower high here, and then we enter for continuation in a downward trend. Okay, where is our EMA, exponential moving average? You see we are in a downward trend. In the last 2 weeks, I entered on this move here. Okay, I didn't light it to this TP here because of what? Sunday the next doesn't allow the weekend holding, or the holding during the weekend is not allowed in Sunday the next. And as you know, this Euro AUD pair moves slowly, but last week with this ending week, I managed to enter here. Stop loss was here, and then I have been targeting here. And as you know, this Euro AUD doesn't move fast. It moves well, okay. It respects the structure, but it doesn't move so fast. And so I ended up by taking risk toward of 1, if I remember. Yeah, it's a 1. So this is mine. Those are the 2 trades that I took. So here I will wait for the break of structure again here, and then after break of the structure I will enter for sale. So another possible scenario back again which can happen is if and only if the sellers return back here, okay. If the seller, or if the price return back here, let me show you. Once the price return back here, in order to retest on this EMA like this, I will also enter again for sale in order to continue in this market.